Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instructions sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.4.12 Review dimensions. The following features dimensions have been entered on a project dimension sheet. Primary dimensions are listed in rows 27 through 58. 1. Overall is a primary dimension. 2. Base is a primary dimension. 3. Kick is a primary dimension. Detail dimensions are listed in rows 59 through 674. 1. Base glass top is a detailed dimension. 2. Base door opening and panel are detailed dimensions. 3. Base shelf is a detailed dimension. Examine the listed dimensions to make sure they are correct. Find a dimension that should not be included, delete it. Discover an error, correct it on the project dimension sheet. Do not enter numbers in the upper row of dimensions. The red characters in that row are formulae. Or correct errors by clicking the elevation sheet macro button. If there are no dimensions, no cost or incorrect cost is likely. If there are incorrect dimensions, incorrect cost is assured. This example 1.4.12 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.4.13.